Everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 5 with the Charlotte Tilbury's Luxury Palette Pillow Talk Dreams. This part be my final tutorial on this one. I did what, 4? Obviously 5. So today I think we'll just keep it very prime, enhance, smoke, and super pop. So we'll just stick to the instructions that are given to us on this. Create a simple Charlotte Tilbury pillow talk / dreams of a look. And I think I actually might do supermodel. She's a supermodel for the lambs. I'm really digging this color. Oh. Favorite lip combination at the moment, supermodel with Opulus and Naked Rose. Oh, I need it. Oh, it's just about out. That means shopping. All right, so let me go and prep my eyes, and then we will get right into the tutorial. All right, so eyes are prepped with the paint pot and soft orchid, and MAC Cosmetics. So, going in with the prime shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it all over the lid. And I do love the intensity and bringing it up to the brow bone because that will be our brow highlight as well. Perfect. All right, let me do the other eye, obviously. Keep it going in the family. And I do love a lot of Charlotte Tilbury's quads because a lot of it can literally just be applied with the finger, a good little smoky smoke action going on, mascara or liner, instead of the smoky smoke action, and then you're done. You're done. Perfect. Now, let me go into the enhance, and I think for the enhance, I'm going to take that into the crease. And fluffy brush, going with a fluffy brush, going into the enhance shade. On camera, it looks like a little orange, but in person, it's more, I don't know how to explain. And then just really begin to put it right along the crease. And build up the intensity to where you want it. Blend, blend, blend. And I do think depending on the type of primer you use, if you use more of a lighter base, I think it will really pop the colors a lot more. So you could really see the enhancement. And those pinks, I'm going through like a rose gold and pink phase as of lately. Don't know why. Again. Perfect. Look at that. That enhance. Such beautiful enhance. And on this side, I always got to be careful because I need to take it higher than I usually put it because this eyelid is a lot smaller than this side. Family problems. They gotta look related or at least cousins or something, you know? Family gatherings. Gotta love it. Perfect. I do love how very easily a lot of her mattes just truly do blend out. And then going in with another fluffy brush and just begin to fluff it out, blend it out. Then going back in with that prime shade on the fingertips just to right in the middle of the lid. Just to bring back a little of that pizzazz. So, liner brush into the smoke shade. Really begin to really right along the lash line. Just to get a little bit of smokiness and definition going. I'm just building it up. Let me move my mirror so you can see. Then going in with a fluffy brush, back into that smoke shade, and just begin, itchy nose, smoking it out. Putting it right in the V. I do need to get a new one. I think this is from MAC. Oh, the 224. I thought the number came off, but it's a MAC 224. Hey. I obviously have lost a lot of hair from this brush, but it still does its job and purpose. So just smoke it out. Just smoke it out. See? Oh. Literally buildable, pigment, sultry, luxe, and dreams. This is what dreams are made of. Stuff like this is what dreams are made of. Oh. And sometimes it's just easy to go back to the basics of using a quad, sticking with 4 colors, sticking with 2 colors, whatever, rather than getting into the palettes of like 12 to 24 or 58 shades in them. This really helps you to be more constructive of how you really want to create your eye looks. And if you find palettes with this type of same color story, then you can really start to play around, experiment with different textures and stuff like that. But quads are still where it is at. I know with quad eyeshadows, it's very limited as to what kind of colors or looks, as many looks as you can do, but that's why I'm doing this palette focus, just to get out of that rut of just sticking with 1 to 2 looks with the palette. With the quad, I mean. Perfect. Alrighty then. Guys. Oh, this is so mooi. I'm gonna do the other eye, do the rest of my face, and you will see the final look in a few seconds, but another 20 to 30 minutes for me. All right, so this is the final look. Prime, enhance, smoke. Oh. I forgot to do this super pop thingy. Super pop. Let's do it right over here. Just right. Oh, okay. Okay, super pop. Now the super pop is on. I mean, is it a dream? I think so. So, lip combination, supermodel with the Naked Rose Opulence Gloss from Pat McGrath. Foundation, a little orange, I know. I mean, is it really though? I know compared to my little orange. Airbrush Flawless Foundation, 7.5 warm, mixed with a little bit of Hollywood filter for medium. I think that, yeah, for medium. For highlight and blush, I went ahead and did a little bit of the Pinkgasm, not a little, quite a bit. Mixed with the Super Glow, Multi Glow mixed with the Pinkgasm for my highlight. And for blush, and Soft Sculpt for a little bit of the gold. Blush is actually Venusian Sunrise from Pat McGrath to give a little bit more of that peach pop warmth. Brows still Benefit. And setting spray as usual. This. So, I mean, this is such a beautiful palette. I actually do think this will go well with the Pillow Talk Blung Eyeshadow Hypnotize palettes, because this is very complimentary, very warm, because I feel like Charlotte Tilbury is very leaning towards her warm, as usual. But this is just such a beautiful palette. I mean, you can probably hear my laundry going. I love the formulation of the lipsticks. At first I wasn't too fond of it, but now that I've done, what, 5 looks with them and played with them. Did I put on Supermodel, or was that Walk of No Shame? Supermodel. Yeah, Supermodel. Walk of No Shame with the Opulus Gloss Naked Rose. To die for. So yeah, kind of like a full face-ish of Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I just really do love her products. A very high quality. A little bit does go a long way. I mean, because we did 5 looks and everything is still pretty like full. So it's not like you're gonna run out of this within a week or two. I mean, if you can, more power to you. But this can definitely last quite some time, that's for sure. Yeah, besides that, this is the end of the quad focus, palette focus for Charlotte Tilbury. But this is just so mesmerizing, and my camera's moving. Yep, it's laundry day. But as usual, go down to my Instagram page to see the final look, the final edit of everything. And I just look so sexy. Until next time, till next palette focus. I actually might do more in the beginning of the year. I'll probably do more quad focus of the other quads I have. Gosh, what do I have? Vintage Vamp, Super Blue, Queen of Glow. Queen of Glow is like the ultimate summer gold, sun-kissed, Victoria's Secret walking down just glowing. Oh, Queen of Glow. I would love for her to do a Queen of Glow luxury palette thingy, kind of like how she did Pillow Talk, because she could really Queen of Glow mixed with Walk of Shame. Ooh, no, I don't need any more makeup. Not gonna buy no more. New year, new me. New year, new quads. Hey, but yeah, you guys will be able to see the final edits of this. Oh god, that Super Pop, that multi glow. What the hell is it? The Super Pop is on top of the Prime, has a beautiful shift to it. I mean, oh. Anyways, let me go adore this. Walk around the house doing chores done like this. And let me just feel expensive for once. Without further ado. Yeah. Oh yeah, happy holidays and happy new year. So yeah.